Okay, let us see the question number 2, June 2022 question paper. Look at the question. On the grid, draw and label with its equation the straight line with the equation y equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x plus y equal to 7, and question B is show by the shading the grid and the region that satisfies all three of the inequalities. Label the region R. Okay. First is y is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, y is greater than or equal to 1. This is y equal to 1. First we have to write it. When they are asking y is greater than or equal to 1, you have to write it y equal to 1 equation. You have to draw it. And here they have given what is called equal to also they have given. So you write complete dot line. You draw complete draw line. Okay. They have asked y is greater than or equal to 1. What you have to do? Y equal to 1. What is this equation? Y equal to 1. Suppose if they ask y is greater than 1, don't draw dot line, dotted line you have to put for this case. Okay, now 1 is finished. So y is greater than, y is equal to 1, write the equation name also after finishing. Then x is equal to 2. Okay, then x is equal to 2 means this is a 2. Many people are getting confused, y equal to 1, but we are doing parallel to the x-axis. This is actually x-axis is nothing but y equal to 0. Why it is y equal to 1? Okay, what is this coordinate? 0, 1. What is this coordinate? 2, 1. What is this coordinate? 4, 1. You see, all the y coordinates are 1 only, so that it is y equal to 1. Okay. The same way, x is equal to 2. What is this coordinate? 2, 0. What is this coordinate? 2, 2. What is this coordinate? 4, 2. 2, 4. You see that all the x coordinate is 2 only. So that x is equal to 2, you have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, this is x is equal to 2. It is y equal to 1. Okay. Write it x is equal to 2. And they have given x is greater than or equal to 2. So you have to draw a dot line. Otherwise, dotted line you have to put it. Then the third one is x plus y is greater than or equal to 7. What you have to do? You have to find the x-intercept, y-intercept. How to find the x-intercept, y-intercept? X-intercept is y equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 0 means x is equal to 7. Y-intercept means x is equal to 0. So 0 plus y equal to 7. So y equal to 7. Okay. Now how to do it? Okay. This is x plus y is equal to 7. Now what they are asking, y is greater than 1. Y is greater than 1 means this area all are y is greater than 1. Okay. Then what they are telling, x is greater than or equal to 2. This area all are x is greater than or equal to 2. Then they are telling x plus y is x plus y less than or equal to 7. Less than or equal to 7. So what would it would be? So this will be matching only these three areas, it is matching. So this is called R. We have to label this R. Okay. Always remember y equal to 1 means y equal to 1 or 2 is horizontal line. X is equal to any number means vertical line. If they are giving x plus y or ax plus by anything, you have to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. How to find the x-intercept? Put y equal to 0. Then you will get the x-intercept. How to find y-intercept? Put the x is equal to 0. Then find the line. Always if they are giving greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you put the solid line. If they are giving greater than or less than, you put dotted line. Which condition satisfies these three conditions? That is considered as R. Copy it down.